So in this video, we'll see how to install Notepad++. Notepad++ is an upgrade for Notepad that we had, and there were many things that we couldn't do in Notepad. It was just a normal text editor. It was not even an editor. It was just where we could write some stuff and we could change some stuff. But Notepad++ is an advanced version of you can say Notepad. It is not from Microsoft, but it works only on Microsoft. It is not cross-platform. You cannot use it on Linux or Mac. Linux or Mac. Okay, so to download, you can just click on this site notepad++.org. You can see that downloads is here. Then this is the latest version. If you want, you can download the earlier versions that are there. We'll just click on this one, and it says download for 32-bit. If you are using 32-bit, you can just click on this installer here. But for 64-bit, x64, we'll click on this installer over here, and it'll start downloading. So it's a very small app. It's only of size is only of 4 MB. As soon as you download it, so click on yes. Select the language whichever you want. Let's just leave it to English. You can select whichever language that you want. Then let's click on next. Click on I agree. And this is the folder where your Notepad++ will be saved. If you want to change the location, you can just click on browse and save it wherever you want. And these are all the plugins that are required. Okay, so you can either select it or deselect it. Just leave it to default value, and let's create a desktop shortcut, and let's click on install. You can see that Notepad++ has been installed. Click on finish, and now Notepad++ has launched. Okay, so basically you can use Notepad++ for many tasks, for web development and many other stuff. If you want to see the language support that is present, you can see this option here called language, and it has ActionScript, ADA, assembly, anyway. Then from B we have BANSI, Batch, C, C++, C hash, COBOL, CSS, and all these languages are also supported. Even XML is supported in Notepad++. We can edit all of these languages here. So that was how you install Notepad++ on your Windows 10 64-bit operating system.